Knee injuries are the most common thing we see in our office on a day-to-day basis. Whether they be through slip and falls, car accidents, or sports injuries, our doctors are really well trained on performing an evaluation on the knee to know exactly what's going on with the knee at any given time, making sure that we give you the best care plan possible, make sure you get that knee pain taken care of. If you suspect you've injured your knee, come into the office, get an exam, get a plan, get the results you're looking for.